Today we're making an easy recipe for turkey. This is amazing. It's special for people that has never cooked a turkey. Well, this is gonna be your very good first time. We're gonna make it with naranja, with orange juice, and it's gonna be delicious, easy, and a few tricks to make it faster. Hi, my name is Laura. Welcome to Spicy Latina Mom. Today we're making this easy recipe for turkey. I love it because it's delicious and it has like a sweet and sour flavor. And I'm gonna give you a few tips before we begin. Okay, what we do at my house is that we cook it inside of one of these special bags to cook the turkey. You can find it at any supermarket, and this is so much fun and so much easier to do it because the time to cook the turkey is gonna be half of the time that it will take if you just cover it with foil paper. So go for the bags. Please don't use any kind of bag. These bags are special to go into the oven, and really it's very easy to do. Also, I love them because you can marinate your turkey inside of here, and it's so easy. Like you just close the bag very well, you leave it in the fridge, and every time you need to take something out of the fridge, you can just move the turkey a little bit so the juices can go from one way to another, and that is gonna give you the perfect marinade. What usually people do is that they just put it in one of the base that they are using, and they have to move the turkey, the whole turkey, and put some of the juices on top. So let's do it with the bag. It's much easier. Other way, you can always do it with the foil paper. Now, this is a special thing to make turkey. I don't know how you call it in English, but you can use the foil ones that they sell at the store. What's the difference? Well, the difference, and what is a great advantage for me, is that this rack goes inside of here. So you just put the turkey with the bag on top. And when the turkey is ready and you need the juices, you just can make a little hole, the juices are coming down, and you can use all the juices for the gravy. And you got the turkey on top. Other way, you're gonna have it here, but you're gonna need to move a little bit the turkey so you can take off the juices to make the gravy. It's a little harder, but still both of them, they work fine. So you can just do it with one of these, okay? So that's the first tip. The second one. Most of the turkeys are frozen at the time you buy them. So please, just do it ahead of time. Put it from the freezer, put it into the fridge, and leave them there for about 3 days. That's gonna help you to keep the juices of the turkey. Many people ask me, like, if it is frozen, can I freeze it again? Yes, you can, but you're gonna lose juices. So the meat is gonna be drier. That's why you don't wanna freeze it again. And that's why you want a slow process to unfreeze, so you don't lose all the juices from the turkey. But if you are in a hurry and you need to do it for next day, just put in the sink water, cover the sink, put water, and then leave soaking the turkey in there, okay? No hot water, no cold water, just like normal temperature water, and the turkey is gonna begin to lose the ice in there. And try to take away that water every 30 minutes and fill it up with new water so you can unfreeze your turkey in an easier way, okay? Make sure that when you put your hand inside the turkey, you don't find ice anymore, because like it can get unfreeze from the outside and the inside can still be frozen. Now, inside the turkey, you will always find this bone, is the neck of the turkey. Don't throw it away. This is perfect to make an amazing gravy or even a turkey soup. And you can find also all the insides for the turkey. This is gonna be the liver and other stuff that you don't want it for Christmas, but this is great for the dogs, the cats, or even for the soup, for a special turkey soup or the gravy, all right? So my turkey is ready. Just give it a little wash to the turkey, and we are ready to begin with the marinade. For the marinade, this is very easy. I have 2 cups of orange juice. We're gonna add half a cup of soy sauce, 2 spoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper. If you have just grounded pepper, it's amazing. Like if you can ground it on that moment, it's gonna make a huge difference on the flavor. I have 2 garlic cloves, half a cup of vinegar. It can be white vinegar or apple vinegar. Half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of butter, I have over here some ginger. Okay, ginger gives an amazing taste, but you need to be careful to don't put a lot of ginger. It's gonna be spicy. So I'm using about half of my thumb finger. Just peel off the skin and that's it. And we're also using some orange, the skin of an orange, just the half of the skin of an orange. I'm just cutting it away with my knife. I'm gonna throw it into the blender and that's it. Let's blend all of this together. As I told you, using a special bag for turkey, it makes a whole difference, especially because it's gonna take you half the time to bake it. Okay, so the only thing you need for this is 1 spoon or 2 spoons. You can use 2 spoons of flour. So we're gonna pass it all over the bag, and this is gonna help you so the turkey doesn't stick to the bag. And when you put the turkey inside, just make sure that you don't tie it together to the turkey. Leave some space so it won't stick the skin to the bag. And as I told you, this is an amazing way to marinate your turkey because you can just keep on moving the turkey when you go to the fridge, and you just can move it without making any mess. So this is a great way of cooking and marinate the turkey. Please, if you have a chance, leave it for a whole day and a whole night on the fridge, marinating. If you don't worry. You can just make it right away. The flavor is gonna be good, but if you marinate it, oh my God, that makes a huge difference. So I forgot to tell you that we need to tie up the legs of the turkey. You can use a kitchen string. If you don't have it, I'm gonna show you an amazing trick. This is hilo dental, and we call it floss. You can use the floss. And all I'm doing is just tie up the turkey legs so they look beautiful when you take it out and it's all cooked. And I'm gonna tie up again my bag, and this goes to marinate into the fridge for a whole day. Okay, this is a moment where I tell you how long it's gonna take in the oven for this turkey to be ready. This is the temperature, and I'm giving you 2 options. The one, if you are cooking it in a bag, or if you are just covering it with foil paper. So just make a screenshot now with your cell phone and you can have it, or go to Spicy Latina Mom, the link is over here, and just print it or find it there on the web. And hocus pocus, this recipe is ready just like this. So easy to do and delicious. I know I'm too old, but I'm a fan of Harry Potter, and my friends from Dracoluna made me this special one. Look at this, it has my logo from my other channel, Las Recetas de Laura, and it's handmade. You can find it on Facebook and Instagram as Dracoluna. On the text box, you can find the link so you can ask for yours. You can ask even if you have something special. Oh, I love them. Thank you, Dracoluna. And guys, look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? And it's delicious. It's soft, juicy, and just a little toast on the outside. I'm sure you're gonna love it, and so easy to do. Please, for the gravy, stay with me in the next recipe so you can make the orange turkey gravy. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video, and I see you next week with more delicious recipes. Adios, amigos.